Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. It's Tuesday once again, so we're doing our usual Blu-ray update of the week. And today I'm going to show you Mars Needs Moms in 3D from Disney. This is a 4-disc combo pack, Blu-ray 3D, regular Blu-ray, DVD and digital copy. Let's remove this tag right here. Comes in a really nice slipcover, fully embossed, shiny silver, really nice, but it's exactly the same artwork, and the back as well, pretty much the same thing. The first thing I did notice here, it comes in those 16mm UK cases, so I'm already happy with this one. I like the UK case because it's a lot stronger, as you can see by the noise. You cannot go deep with the flyer. It's not going to damage the flyers. I like these ones. Another good thing about this release is it is region free. So the Blu-ray 3D and the Blu-ray, it is region free. And the DVD, of course, it's region 1. So without further ado, let's open this one and let me show you the artwork. Here we have the code for the digital copy and also for your rewards. The usual 3D steps. And here we have the digital copy, Blu-ray 3D, regular Blu-ray, and the DVD. Finally, they gave us a much better artwork on the Blu-ray and nothing empty on the DVD. But here, like I said, region 1 on the DVD, ABC, region free. ABC means region free. So let me show you now the special features up close. Another good thing about this edition is that it comes in 7.1 English DTS master audio, as well as French, Spanish and Portuguese Dolby Digital 5.1. And let me also remind you that this movie does not come with glasses. You need real glasses, okay? No more paper 3D glasses. It requires a full 3D high definition television, compatible 3D glasses, either active shutter or passive glasses, and a Blu-ray player. For me, I'm not really crazy about these CGI movies like Mars Needs Moms, not even Polar Express and Christmas Carol. Don't get me wrong, it's a really nice story, but just by looking at the movie and seeing those cross-eyed, dead-eye look really turns me off. It's really bad. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos, and stay tuned for more Blu-ray updates every week right here at Blue Collection.